One day, best friends Sam and Grace found a glowing stone in the forest. When they touched it, they magically shrank to insect size. Tiny and amazed, they met Captain Beetle, who welcomed them to the village of tiny friends. Bella Bee, a cheerful bee, showed them around, introducing them to all the busy insects working together. Then they met Raffer the ant, introducing to his workshop, making sure everyone's home is strong and sturdy. Sam and Grace looked amazed. As the sun set, Sam and Grace said goodbye to their new friends.
Do you also
promising
want
to
character
return.
consistency
With a
in
final
AI
touch of
like
the
I have
stone,
in this
they grew
video?
back to normal,
If
their
yes, then
hearts
you
full
are
of
at
wonder
right
and a
place.
magical secret.
The main advantage of having same or consistent character, it engages more audience and hook them to watch till the end. So let's learn how to create consistent character in free of cost by following few steps. Step 1. Go to the ChatGPT and ask it to generate some kid story ideas that are in trending with its story script along with voiceover and scene prompts. As I have selected my story, so I will write that one. If you don't want ChatGPT idea, there are other options as well in the market. You can use Gemini Google tool or go to the Pinterest site. After sign up, search for kid stories. You will find thousands of options to choose from, but for now we try it on ChatGPT, and when you are done with story selection, now comes the second step, that is the part to choose our characters. Here you have few options. First, ChatGPT has introduced its new feature for image generation, so you can ask it directly, type image, your prompt, hit generate, and it will generate your image. Second, search on Google, find your character, download it. Remove its background to make it in PNG format. In few minutes I will tell you why you should remove the background. Third, which I used in this video, that is go to site named piclumen.com, which is free site to generate your images. After sign up, go to explore option and type here something to first find what type of character you want in your story. Select it, copy its prompt. Go to create option and choose your screen size format. Paste the prompt and hit generate. You can change the prompt and get the results as you want. Here have option for removing background, so you can try it as well and download. It gives you a watermark-free images. In the same way, you can generate other characters which are available in your story. Once you have selected your all characters, then you have to arrange your story scene prompts in very neat and clean way. You can do it in Google Docs or Word file in your PC. Just copy the scene prompts and paste in Word file. Now after your each character's name, paste their prompts in each of your story scene as you can get your results what you are looking for. Then comes the third step. For video generation, there is a site named hiluo.video. It's one of the best platform in free versions which gives you best results. The best part is when you sign up for first time it gives you 3-day free trial, which gives you unlimited access to this site. Here you have two options. First, you can paste your prompt and hit generate. Second, you have picture upload option. You can upload your PNG format picture, which I told you earlier to do. You can type here same prompt or just type convert into video or leave it empty, it's up to you. As you know it's free, that's why there is lot of audience is using this tool, and it takes some time to generate your video, but at one time you can give it 3 prompts together. I suggest you try as more as possible because for now it's free, but nobody knows when they will start to charge its audience. So take more benefits from it. In the same way, generate all your videos of your story. Once you are done with video generation, then comes the final part. Step 4, which is to combine all the videos in a single video, and you can use different tools for it, like Adobe, CapCut, and many more. For now use CapCut, then uploads your all videos here and start editing. One last tip, maybe you have noticed, in my video there was no watermark of Hailuo. You can do as well just by resizing the video while editing. So this time I won't be showing how to edit a video, you can do it on your own as you all are smart enough. If you liked something about this tutorial, just leave your thoughts in comment box. Wish everyone happy learning day.